Hi, I'm Mark Gaylor. I'm a Sony Global Imaging Ambassador. Now, you may have seen a menu item on the Sony Alpha cameras called Lock Operation Parts. Now, you're going to find that in that second camera tab on the last page there. Now, when you press the center button on the control wheel, you're going to be given a number of options, whether to lock the multi-selector, the dial and wheel, or all of the above. Now there I've just highlighted what that's actually locking. Okay, so that will be front and rear dials and the multi-selector, some people refer to as the joystick, and also the control wheel. Now if you've selected that option and then you go into your camera, you're going to find that it actually hasn't locked the operation parts yet. So that might cause you some concern that maybe you've done something wrong. For instance, you'll still be able to turn the control wheels to adjust maybe the shutter and aperture, and you'll also be able to move the focus point around the screen using the multi-selector. So the secret here, and you may find that in the manual, is to long press the FN key. Now you need to hold down the FN key for 3 or 4 seconds before you'll see the locked screen appear, and then what you'll see is in that the bottom right hand corner of the screen, just a little graphic will appear momentarily if you try and move the control wheel, multi-selector or front or rear dials, saying that those operation parts are now locked. Now, this might be a useful feature if you're trying to make sure you don't accidentally bump your controls, or you're handing your camera to someone else and you don't want those people to adjust your camera settings. Now, you will still be able to access the buttons on the control wheel. It's just turning the control wheel itself that is locked. So you're still going to be able to access your ISO setting, maybe your drive mode, or change the display, etc. Now, another 3-4 second long press of that FN key will unlock all of those parts, so you're ready to change those settings once again. Now, if you found that information useful, just remember to subscribe to the channel. Head over to markgaylor.com. All of the learning resources are there available for free. If you download some and you find them incredibly useful, just remember to make a small donation to support my hosting fees and also the creation of new Alpha learning resources. Okay, thanks. I'm Mark Gaylor, Sony Global Imaging Ambassador.